Hello, Beethoven Bears. Good morning. Today is June 1st. I want to say a special shout out to our amazing astronomers that are here on Hybrid, our brilliant biologists that are here on Hybrid, our dynamic discoverers, and our clever chemists that are online. I hope you all are doing well. I cannot believe that there are only 9 days left of school. I hope that you are persevering. I hope that you are being resilient for these last 9 days. For the month of June, if you didn't already know, it's National Immigrant Heritage Month. When we think of the United States, we are all from a generation of immigrants, people that left a place and came to another country to live permanently. So look at the United States and look at all of those different flags that you see. They're buttons, but they're flags for all over the country. And so when you think about your own culture and your own family, which flag or country represents you on that picture? Take a look and see if you can find your flag. I see Canada, I see Korea, I see Jamaica, I see so many countries from all over the world, and that is what makes United States such a great place. So this month of June, we celebrate Immigrant Heritage Month, and just again, the rich, beautiful culture that makes up our United States of America. Our word of the year for half of the year has been resilient. You've done a great job. We have 9 more days, so don't give up. Continue to tackle any difficulties you have. Be adaptable and be flexible. Patience has been our main word of the month because around this time, patience is really important, like waiting for that flower to grow. So, in honor of May in our word of the month, patience, today we get to celebrate our students of the month. I'm so excited because teachers nominated online and hybrid students who really exemplify patience, perseverance, resilience, just hard work. So let's take a look at these awesome Beethoven Bears. Let you see them on the full picture, and let's hear about what they did. Ms. Zulo is recognizing Ty for resilience and overcoming obstacles thrown his way. We'd also like to recognize Andrew Galvan for his resilience and patience with online learning and willingness to put in the extra effort. Ms. Harada would like to recognize Noah. He's shown tremendous resilience. He's always punctual, pays attention, and he's always ready to respond in lessons. She also recognized Kai. He's made a smooth transition to in-person learning by focusing and participating every day. Way to go. Ms. Rodolphin is recognizing Layla and Camila for being focused and patient. 2 super great young ladies. Ms. Andrews is recognizing Andrea for volunteering and participating regularly, and Adela for being helpful and a problem solver. Mr. O'Donnell would like to recognize Lucero for participating on Zoom, and Jace for always having a positive attitude during in-person learning. Ms. Alanis would like to recognize Luca for having an upbeat attitude and always willing to work or find a solution, and Mackenzie for her enthusiasm and joy in learning all across the board. Great job. Mrs. Mills would like to recognize Janelle for always being prepared and trying her best each day. We would also like to recognize Luca for participating in class and for having a positive attitude. Ms. Caruncha would like to recognize Sydney Ween and Max Gonzalez for displaying leadership, always coming prepared to class, and showing enthusiasm every day with a positive attitude. Great job. Ms. Riordan would like to recognize John V. in the online cohort and Aria in the hybrid. John V is patient and always raises her hand or uses her Zoom hand when she wants to volunteer ideas or has questions. She is always prepared with her materials for class, tries her best, and works hard. Aria is a role model for her peers and is an excellent example of good citizenship. She is smart, friendly, and constantly challenges herself to be better. We are so proud of these young scholars. Miss Evans would like to recognize Ivanka for being prepared, organized, and for working hard in class. I would also like to recognize Oliver for doing a great job at completing the work and for participating in Zoom. Ms. Gelman would like to recognize Ray for continuing to set a good example in both his work and behavior and following the protocols for hybrid learning. Room 18 also wants to recognize Ori, who is new to Beethoven. He is a great addition to our hybrid cohort. For virtual learning, Room 18 wants to recognize Steve and Destiny for their outstanding participation and perseverance in our online cohort. They always have something valuable to share during our class discussions. Mrs. Ramos would like to recognize Vanessa. She is always prepared, completes all of her assignments, and is an excellent reader. I would like to also recognize Melanie for the online cohort. She's a hard worker, always puts 100% into her learning, and always participates. Mrs. Galvan would like to recognize Lucas for online. Lucas is always prepared, completes all assignments, and has an incredible work ethic. I would also like to recognize Remy for hybrid, for persevering and adjusting to hybrid learning, and for always following directions. Mrs. Ramirez would like to recognize Zoe. She's shown patience, resilience, perseverance, and determination during the past month and all year. Her ability to work through challenges and do it in a positive way is an inspiration to all. She also wants to recognize Annabelle. She's shown so much patience being at school with our sub while on Zoom, and Mrs. Ramirez at the same time. She's always enthusiastic and cheerful and always tries her best. Mrs. Arthur would like to recognize Lane and Eva. They're doing a great job in room 19. Congratulations to all of these students of the month. Give them a round of applause. Yay! I am so proud of all these Beethoven Bears. You have really shown perseverance, resilience, patience, and worked so hard during the month of May. Congratulations to you once again. Parents, don't forget that Monday is an early schedule, and Beethoven Bears, remember that as well. We have one Monday left, June 7th, and on that day, your schedule is 8 to 10:30 and 11:30 to 2 o'clock. For my hybrid Bears that are here on campus, don't forget we're still social distancing, especially when we're having our lunch or snack, when our masks are down or off. Please make sure you social distance and try your best to keep 6 feet apart. Now for our announcements. Friday, June 4th, we're having a Spirit Day. It's Arts and Crafts Day. Your teachers know what to do, and I'm going to show a special video after the announcements from our student council about what their project is and why it's important. Saturday, June 5th is a 5th grade picnic. So 5th grade, I hope you signed up. I hope your parents filled out the Google form to let us know that you'll be coming on Saturday, June 5th. Monday, June 7th, again, this is our last early scheduled day. So it's 8 to 10:30 for the hybrid and online, and 11:30 to 2 for our hybrid and online. On Tuesday, June 8th, it's oh my gosh, is it Bear Mania? Yes, it's Bear Mania. Bear Mania is back for our new students. Bear Mania is a day to celebrate you. This is a fun day for all of our Beethoven Bears. In the past, we've done a popsicle right before recess, and then at recess, we extend it so that you have lots of fun on the yard playing carnival-like games. So this year, it'll be a little different, but trust me, you're going to have fun. So Beethoven Bears, keep working hard, because if we all work hard, then we will be able to participate in Bear Mania. My online Bears, I have not forgot about you. We have a special treat going home just for you in celebration of Bear Mania. And I can't wait until we can have all of our Beethoven Bears back and have a Bear Mania with everybody. On Wednesday, June 9th, our 5th grade class of 2021 is culminating at 8:30, and we hope to have all of our classes that want to join to come outside and join us on that day. We will be having culmination outside on the field. Thursday, June 10th, we are going to celebrate our spring semester and all year perfect attendance. So at my June 10th, I'm going to create a special video that I do every week, but on that video, I'm going to share the names of those students that had perfect attendance for spring and for the entire year. On Friday, June 11th, teachers, the Dibbles EOY ends, and it's the last day of school. Also on Thursday, June 10th, our Edulastic ends on that day. So those are announcements that will take us all the way to the last day of school. But I do have one more video next week, so stay tuned. Beethoven parents and Beethoven bears, Friends of Beethoven is hosting our last Beethoven night out at El Pollo Loco on the corner of Washington and Beethoven. If you bring in the flyer, El Pollo Loco will donate 20% of your purchase to Friends of Beethoven, which will support our school. So come on by, bring a friend, share the great news, and thanks everybody for your support. A special shout out to our wonderful Friends of Beethoven team and Jessica Reynoso, who helps to organize our Beethoven night out. Now let's hear from Andrew from our student council. He's going to talk all about this Friday's Spirit Day, arts and crafts. Take a look.
Morning, Beethoven Bears. It's me, Andrew Paredes. Look, this year's been tough for all of us, and we all know that. We all got through together as a Beethoven family. So student council wanted to do a school-wide project to show our resilience, strength, and perseverance. And that project is known as Arts and Crafts Day. It's going to be June 4th, this Friday. And what you want to do is you want to grab a white piece of paper and trace your left hand. And if you're a lefty, then you could ask a friend to trace your left hand, or you could try to do it with your right hand. And then you could write your first name on your thumb, and then write your last name on your pointing finger. And write your room number, and design your hand with a pattern, pictures, or words. Cut out your hand and then give it to your teacher by Monday, June 7th. That's all. Thanks.
Again, for our class of 2021, we have our 5th grade culmination on Wednesday, June 9th, and our 5th grade picnic this Saturday, June 5th. I am looking forward to those events for our 5th grade class of 2021. Parents, make sure you filled out your Google form so that we know that you do intend to come, and who the 2 guests will be that will join us for the picnic or that will join us for the culmination, or both. Our summer school program for LAUSD is open for registration. Parents, please make sure you register for your Beethoven Bear to attend summer school at achieve.lausd.net/summer 2021. That is for summer school in person. It will be at Grandview Boulevard Elementary School, and also enrichment classes that are online. That window open as well. You can go to enrichment.lausd.net. And on our parent handbook, there is a flyer for English and Spanish. Don't forget the first day of school for August. It's Monday, August 16th. So we look forward to welcoming back the majority of our Beethoven Bears this fall, and there will still be options for our Beethoven Bears that want to stay online. But for Monday, August 16th, get ready for the first day of school for the 21-22 school year. Now let's wish some of our Bears happy birthday. Thank you to the parents that donated to our Friends of Beethoven. We are celebrating your Bears. We want to say happy birthday to Hendrix. Hendrix, happy birthday. Your birthday is on June 6th. Happy birthday, Hendrix. His birthday's on Sunday. Happy early birthday. I want to update you on Pedro and let you know how he is doing. Pedro is actually doing really well. He actually came to visit us on Friday. He looks good, he's feeling well, and he is returning to Beethoven on June 14th. Now that's after school ends, but Pedro is doing better and he will be back with us. So yay for Pedro. He is so thankful for all your cards, your warm sentiments, and he just feels really loved by the Beethoven community. So thank you to everybody that made Pedro a card or sent him something special. Now for June, we are in the month of June. Our word is winner. Our word is winner every year because Beethoven Bears. What are we? We are winners. So for the next 9 days, whether you're online or hybrid, I want you to exude the feeling of a winner. We have really won. We have conquered this year. We have done our best. We have tried really hard. And even though we have 9 more days, winners don't give up. So for the next 9 days, show me that winning spirit online and in person. Show me that you can do this and show everyone that Beethoven Bears are winners. And we're ready to wrap our morning up. We are respectful. That's right. Be respectful. And what are we also? We are Responsible. Be responsible. We are also very what? Safe. Be safe. And we are what? We are buddies. We are friends. We are not bullies. Because once again, what are we? We are, say it once, winners. We are, say it twice, winners. We are, say it 3 times, we are winners. Everybody have a wonderful week. Congratulations again to all of our May Students of the Month. Now for June, we are all going to be winners. Take care, everybody.